Yeah, Blue Line, baby.
Blueline Rock Grizzly.
Good morning, everybody. Dale here with Blueline Rock Grizzly again. Big Grizzlies built right for big loaders. You can see this is a 7-8 yard, 18-6. It's going all the way to Juneau, Alaska. I'd like to thank Gene, the real deal, owner of Gene Cheeseman Construction Company. He's going to be putting this in service underneath his 980 Caterpillar loader. And Gene, this thing's going to work really well for you. Boy, she's solid, I'll tell you what. There's nothing built like a Blueline Rock Grizzly.
Get your split on.
Okay, everybody, thank you for taking the time to look in on us. We'll be talking to you with you again real soon. Take care.
Money. Man, that blue line. That blue line, sweet as honey.